Hello, cowboys and cowgirls. Welcome back to my channel. What are you waiting for? If you haven't clicked the notification button and the subscription button, today I'm going to do like a native language vlog. I'm going to speak into my mother tongue, English. No, not English, Kikuyu. So I don't know the people who won't understand. I'm going to make a guacamole with odeka tomaodzo kagasara jigo. They got na craving. No modaki wa na craving. What is craving in Kikuyu? They got na fata. Ega fata ga kore tomato o de shiri no de kimoni ori ado de kaga ori my own made guacamole, homemade guacamole. Kogo togo die kore riko gikimoni ori amodzo tarishaga tomatoes. Any tomato tau. You know Christmas is about to come, and so we are going to have like most festivities, and so I'm putting myself in the mood of like festivities of tomato. Ninye dete korea. Kogo akora wedo dete korea ni gukuoni ori ogithodeka ka small things, Ekoria mushie agukenia ciana kana gukenia andu anyu tugithie na mbere tugathondeke kanyamo kau. Ndira to vituko to fani niguthambitie nyanya niguthambitie gitunguru ino ni cumbi ni nyendete gwikira gacumbi kanini salad-ini yakwa na ka black pepper kanini na kindu gigwitwo gacukari kanini na of course ni undu wa gitunguru ndigaiwe gikinunga kaundu fani ni njikiraga kindu gigwitwo vinegar. Nigucokete gathondeka avocado na cilantro. I don't know if you guys knows about cilantro. Is the same name of like dania. Yes, I had previously prepared. Koguo nigugithondekete ici ndirakenda guongerera tunyamu tutu tomadoido. This is my version of like guacamole. I don't know what kind of guacamole you can make, so this is my own version of guacamole. Koguo nitogothi haria na mbere dinatinie tunyamu tutu njoke guoni uria gutukania tucoke tukirie na whatever meal you want, like meat, like you can eat it raw, maundu ta macio ekinyaje gugiprepare nigetha ukione. Ndatinangia tunyanya tondu nitwo nyenda kwambiriria no, but first of all I deseed eduta tofego ngekira kuria salad-ini. No, it's most advisable to use like cherry tomatoes for salads. Dio ushita gate na Gikuyu kana ushita tunyanya turia tonini nitwo twagirwo gutumirwo ni salad. But if you can't have like cherry tomatoes for salad, you can use the normal tomato. So yeah, this is what I've done, like 2 minutes. So I'm about to do the onion. No gwamba gushikia haha thiini dishitukanie kemaudzo, you know. It's a 5 minute meal or something. Ikigemwire ndarekia gutinia gitunguru no uria ndirite magai. I don't know if you ever feel like crying when you are cutting onions. No, my last product, joke zemonia mchanganisho wa sukari kanini, small sugar, small bits of salt, small bits of black pepper, and then a dash of like bottle top of vinegar, vegetable salad vinegar. So kideke mwire haha niho hena maundu mothe. Riu ka product gaka gakwa ka tutunguru niko gukaikia haha baulini no yakwa joke de michanganisha. This is like a serving of 3 people, so ndathondeka ka kuria me, my mom and my sister. So ni serving ya andu atatu, so you can decide to put things that you want. Tondu ni ndinogerera firifiri, gwito tutiendete firifiri, we love sweet things, koguo ni ndinekera firifiri in my guacamole, koguo ni kuringana uria ukwenda. Andu akwa ni tomato tudiraita haha, diraita tomato tondu ni ukona I've already mixed the sugar, the salt, a dash of black pepper and vinegar. Riu ni mutukanio gutukania dukanie maundu maya mothe me haha nigetha thondeke kindu gegwitwo guacamole. Riu reki dukanie nigetha njoke ndimonie the last project, because actually I'm salivating at the moment. Tondu ndiroria ingireketie ndimirie o riu ehiu mboga citana ho ha marigiti. Yurakiona uria karahana guthakara. Ni ndirahuthira giciko. You can as well use maybe a whisker if you want to make, or a masher if you want to make your avocados mushy, or you can as well decide something else, or a fork, but I've decided to use just a stainless steel spoon. Koguo ne makimanio ginya tweke uria ndirenda. Koguo ni ngumonia the last project. There goes my guacamole. Product ya mwisho ihano. You know, na kamukimo. You can eat with kenyeji. You can eat with rice. You can eat with any kind of. You can even eat it as it is. So, eno ni okaya last product gakwa. Nuona wakima uria kanyihaga nuona. Na ni product ya andu atatu. Koguo tugushoka twikare thi turie. Ikigekwira is so heavenly, so heavenly. So kide mwire uria ndiraigua. So sweet. So sweet, so sweet. Koguo ngorekia ka vlog gakwa haha. Nyambe ndie salad eno. Ni thengio muno andu akwa. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Continue liking, sharing, and commenting. I go the off camera nya bed ga salad ga katodu kayo. Kare giro mumero ine ginya mudu akaigwa wega. These are the things you can do on holiday, like right now that we are shifting to Christmas with your loved ones. Kogo nto kuona na baadaye. Continue subscribing, liking, and sharing. See ya.
Die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.